Hi and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. I'm Jim and today I thought we'd talk about the new Raimondi Easy Move, the Mark IV. In a minute you'll be able to see the professional video made by Raimondi. I personally think it's a fantastic video and it shows you the extreme capabilities of this new piece of equipment. So you'll see in the Raimondi video that the frame can be positioned in literally any position on the slabs you require. This is because it is a scissor action and there is no other frame like this on the market as we speak. The legs can be extended in any way you like to make a unique pattern for whichever type of cut you've done. As you'll see here, the arms are extended to support these two wings, etc. A couple of things about this system, apart from its complete flexibility, is the new suction cup that's on there. You'll have already seen our previous video about these suction cups. They're very lightweight. They have a replaceable sleeve and a dial here, a digital gauge to show that the compression is in here, or the suction is in the cup while you're working safely. This can be replaced should you break it. It's not a throwaway product anymore like the old one, and this will lift 130 kilograms alone. So you have 8 on here, so that's nearly 1,000 kilograms it will lift. So the main virtues of this new piece of equipment is it's lighter in weight, it's more versatile, it has the unique suction cups, it's cheaper, that's the key, and also it's available from us here at Tyler's Tools. So in my view, it's a must-have piece of kit for the professional large format tile fixer. Watch the video, see what you think, I'm sure you'll be impressed.